What's up, guys? It's Outdoor Brothers here, and we're going down to the river and do some fishing. Yesterday we were gonna do a hunting video, but kind of forgot. We're going down to the river right now, and we're gonna fish this rapids. And you get a bass like first cast, and then bites off for a while, and then they'll come back after a little bit. So
this is gonna be a catch and cook for you guys.
Well, if we catch the right size bass, then we'll do a bass catch and cook. But if not, then it'll just be a fishing trip down to the river behind my house. So I'll see you guys when you get to the rapids. So we're walking down to the spot, and we see some. Let's get down here. Look at this cool lake. It goes all the way up there to the bridge.
Show them the outer view.
And then down here,
oh my gosh,
we see some.
It's a deer carcass.
We don't know that. Deer bones. Maybe a coyote. Okay. But if you guys know what that is, comment down below.
Here's this vine. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Here's some more of this vine. Oh gosh.
Okay, guys. We're gonna down so we don't.
Oh yeah, that's definitely. I think that's a coyote, because the deer spine would be a lot bigger than that.
How we get down right here?
Alright. See you guys when we're at the rapids. We're about, like, I don't know, 30 yards away. So see you when we get there. Hey guys, apparently the river's like really low. Oh gosh. Oh.
Slippery and low.
There's the rapids down there. Here's like mini rapids, but there's nothing here. The water's like
Come on,
maybe a foot deep,
Nah,
but the rapids are like way down there.
it's here. Come on.
Okay, we're gonna head down there. Currently on the Outdoor Boys channel, we just climbed up this hill. Look at that. That is steep. Oh, you can't even see how steep it is.
Yeah.
There's an island right there, but that I can see the bottom of the river over there. Looks like there might be a snake or something. But
And this water is way too cold to walk in.
yeah, the water right now it's like 40 degrees. That water's probably like 10 degrees. Oh, I wish you guys could see the rapids look so far away on camera. Made it! Yes! Shoot. Oh god. Oh crap. Yeah. That all was there. Imagine hitting your like legs off that tubing or something down the river. That would hurt. Yeah. So we made it to the rapids. See if we can hook on a bass. We'll probably fish right around here, because all this is like that deep, literally.
Huh?
Oh, let's get to fishing.
Alright. Okay. If you're wondering what we're going to be throwing, we're going to throw these football jigs right here.
Oh, they look a lot better. But we're gonna throw this football jig, and what it does is this jig head right here, it's like a really weighted, man, this sun, I'll get it. It's like a really weighted jig head. So it's like a 1 ounce, and then it has like another 1 ounce. So it hits off the bottom like this.
Oh gosh.
Boom, boom, and it goes back up, hits off the bottom. And the bass really love that.
Stop. Look at my foot.
Is it cold?
It's cold. It's freezing. Oh my god.
It's gonna rip it down the banks right now. It's trying to get anything on. Probably.
Oh, I got a bite.
No, you're just hitting rocks. Dude, I cast it out way in there.
If you snag that, we can walk out and get it, but it's going to be cool.
Oh, this isn't really heavy, so you will really know when you get a bite. So, be back to you when we get some more action. Guys, so, hold on, son, I'm gonna get over here. All right, so the fishing is not working out. These rapids are just not working. I don't know why. But so we're gonna resort and find an alternative. We're gonna go and we're gonna cast net along the banks. Sometimes there's buffalo carp that sit on the bank along the banks, and I can cast net on them. And we're gonna try to get minnows. And then, if we get minnows, I can show you guys my pet bass at home, and we'll do a live feeding of him with him, okay? Because this fishing is just it's not good. I hate winter. Everything's just bad. But when spring comes around, it'll be a whole lot better. Yeah, I wish it was summer, back to summer, but this is actually, it's been freezing and raining. It's actually nice out compared to what it was, so.
Yeah. So we decided to come down here and try to fish.
Yeah, we're gonna try fish, but we're gonna cast net and maybe do a live minnow feeding with my bass. So we're gonna go to our first cast netting spot, and I'll see you guys there.
I run away.
That guy sucks to tell me he'll be really shaky in a second. Okay, we're gonna do the cast net. I'm gonna show you guys how to do this. Okay, this is my cast net. It's a 3-foot radius. Back up to me. And this, you're gonna wrap it like you do an extension cord. Your whole cast net. You're gonna wrap it. Pull, wrap, pull, wrap. Okay, now you got your old nasty water. So you're gonna take your hand, you got your rope, and you're gonna go under like this, choke up on it, grab down here, go like this, and then heard that too.
Oh, sorry guys.
Stupid trick. Alright.
Hey guys. Did you hear that too?
Alright, so we're gonna do this. Slow motion starts. So tiny.
We got fish, you guys.
We gotta find a bottle. We got the fish.
We got the fish.
We got the little fishies. We have the little minnows.
Yo, this is sick. Yo, can I try?
Alright, we got these minnows. Alright, now we gotta find something.
Yo, there's still more.
Shoot, grab one. We gotta find the bottle.
Here. Okay, guys. Okay, so we just caught little shad in that cast net. And we'll get back to you when we find a bottle. So, then we're gonna be doing a little more cast netting for you guys. So, see ya. Okay, guys. So we were just cast netting a little bit off camera. See if we can get a little bit, and then do the live feeding. And then our cast net here got snagged on something like really big down there. And we can't get it out. It's already like ripped in half because we've tried and we've pulled it together, but that crap won't come out. So
we're gonna leave it there, and maybe my dad will ride the quad down here by himself and try to get it out. But I left it on that can. So
yeah.
if anybody lives in Illinois, then there's a free cast net. You can get it out.
Yeah. if you live down here in Streeter and you want to come down here to this river, free casting it for you if you can get it out. So
We're gonna head out.
yeah.
And go to this live feed.
Yep. See you guys. Okay, guys, we're doing our live feed now with these minnows.
Okay, they're kind of dead.
We just gotta pick
This is
one.
the most live one, so we're gonna drop them down in there. Oh, he already tried to get it. Watch this. Hurry up. Stop.
Okay, guys, ready?
Watch this. Watch this. He already tried to bite my finger. He likes this. All right, ready? Drop them in.
Okay, guys.
Choke. No, don't give him two. He's gonna choke that one down with the aerator. He's swallowing it right now. You see him? He's just gulping it.
It's hard to see because they like the tank like mossy, so
Yeah, we got it all mossed.
can I feed him one?
Crap. No, he can't have two. Well, he just ate his minnow. Here, let's see if he's hungry still. Well, that's the biggest one in there, Zach.
Here, let me have this. Let me get the smallest one.
Right there. He's still alive, too.
Here.
That's not small.
It's small.
Drop him in there.
Okay, guys, ready?
Drop him. Just drop him.
Whoa! See that,
That's-
guys? He just choked it.
Okay,
But
after
then if you look closely, you can see the little fin of the minnow sticking out of his mouth.
Yeah, we waited. He's not going to be fed for like another 4 days.
Yeah. So, we hope you guys enjoyed this video. 1 minute.
Guys, so we did the fishing and didn't work out. Cast netting worked out. Well, I lost my cast net in the water, so that sucks, but I got another one. And we did the live feeding. So it's 3 things in this video. Might be a little long video, but that's, to me, it was a good video. I kind of just wish we would have caught a fish when we went fishing, but we didn't.
At least the live feed worked out, guys, and we hope you guys enjoy. Let's remember to like and subscribe.
And we will see you guys tomorrow.